Hi, this is UTT for learning, and in this video we will see about introduction to Python. So overview of the Python is a high level language and interpreter language, and it is interactive one and object-oriented scripting language. Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses the English keywords frequently, whereas the other languages use the punctuations. It has fewer syntactical construction than other languages. Python is interpreter. Python is processed at the runtime by the interpreter, and you do not need to compile your program before executing it. This is a similar to Perl and PHP. Python is object-oriented. Python supports a object-oriented style or technique of the programming that encapsulate code within objects. Python is an interactive one. You can actually sit at front of a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. Python is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for beginners level programmers and supports the development of wide range of application from simple text processing to www browsers to games. History of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Python is derived from the many other languages including ABC, Modulo 3, C, C++, Algol 68, Smalltalk, Unix Shell, and other scripting languages. Python is copyrighted. So like a pure Python source code is now available under the GNU. It comes under the general public license. Python is now maintained by the core development team at the institute, although Guido van Rossum still holds a vital role in directing its process. Features of Python. Easy to learn. Python has a few keywords, simple structures, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up the language quickly. Easy to read. Python code is more clearly defined and variables to the eyes. Easy to maintain. Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. And a broad standard library. Python bulk of library is very portable and cross-platform compatibility on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. Interactive mode. Python has support for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing and debugging of snippets of codes. Scalable. Python provides a better structure and support the large program than shell scripting. Portable. Python can run on wide variety of hardware platforms and has same interface on all platforms. Extendable. You can add low-level modules to Python interpreter. These modules enable the programmers to add or customize their tools to be more efficient. Database. Python provides an interface to all major commercial databases. Graphical user interface programming. Python supports GUI applications that can be used and portable to many system calls, libraries, and Windows systems, such as Windows MFC, Macintosh, and Windows systems of Unix. Python supports the automatic garbage collection. Python supports functional and structural programming methods as well as hooks. It can be used as a scripting language or it can be compiled to bytecode for building a large applications. It provides a very high level dynamic data type and support the dynamic type package checking. It can be easily integrated with C, C++, COM, and ActiveX, CoreBot, and Java. So thank you for watching ETT Learning.